Hi, I am Jerry Matthews, and the machine I researched is what is known as a cell phone, or just a phone if you don't live in 2006. What is a cell phone? A cell phone is a device that is meant to be able to call someone from far away in a way that is portable and efficient. No wires. It is meant to be small so that it can fit in your pocket. No, it was not meant for other things like games or social media. How does a cell phone incorporate waves? A cell phone converts sound waves into data, which is sent to something called a base tower. The base tower then finds the desired number using the network. The data is then turned into radio or electrical waves, depending on the wiring, and sent to the closest base tower with the number. Sorry, I know, my brain is hurting a lot too, but bear with me. Then, if the desired caller is using a cell phone, the radio waves are sent to the phone and converted into sound waves again. If the desired caller is using a landline, looking at you boomers, the data is converted into electrical or radio waves and sent through the power to the landline, which converts those waves into sound waves. The diagram at the left explains this with two cell phones and a base tower. Typically, the other caller is outside the range of one base tower, so it doesn't quite work, usually. Now that we have gone over the more complicated things about a cell phone, what are some pros to having a cell phone? You can communicate with other people from far away. It's pocket-sized. You can communicate from almost anywhere. I guess if you live in Antarctica, you basically can't. Some even have built-in games. Yes, flip phones did actually have games too. What are some bad things about having a cell phone? Well, they are outdated now, because smartphones exist. Scientists think that the radiation from the screen could be a possible cause of cancer. All cell phones, smartphones included, have irreplaceable parts that eventually break, and they're almost essential to buy in this day and age. And they're really expensive, and you have essentially no privacy. May come as a shocker, but how do you think Find My iPhone works? I'll give you 5 seconds. If you guessed the base tower, congrats, because you look smart. Base towers are constantly finding the desired numbers and track both where the number is and where that phone made a call. To the right is a diagram showcasing the network of base towers for 3G coverage of both Verizon and AT&T. Don't sue me for this isn't a commercial. Hopefully. What will the future look like? Well, for starters, we kinda already are in the future of cell phones because there's a new phone in town. The smartphone. Yay, touchscreens exist now. Would AI be implemented fully? Well, Siri will evolve and be smarter someday. People also think that in the far future, we may not be able to only repair our broken phones by ourselves, but upgrade them too. Now that I finished rambling about cell phones, thanks for listening and stay safe out there. Pro tip, don't die, please. You're important to life and society. If you made it this far, congratulations. There is nothing more to see except a couple of cited sources. Yeah.